Imagine a bowl of colorful, nutritious quinoa salad bursting with zesty lime, fresh cilantro, and crunchy bell peppers. A savory delight that not only pleases the eyes but also tantalizes your taste buds. To create this healthful masterpiece, you'll need a few simple ingredients: perfectly cooked quinoa, a medley of diced bell peppers, a handful of freshly chopped cilantro, the juice of a ripe lime, a drizzle of olive oil, and a sprinkle of salt and pepper to taste. The preparation process is as easy as pie. Simply toss all the ingredients into a bowl, taking care to mix them well, ensuring that each grain of quinoa is coated in the tangy lime juice and olive oil. Once mixed, chill the salad in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld together, creating a symphony of taste in every bite. In no time, a refreshing quinoa salad is ready to be enjoyed. Picture a plate of sizzling tofu stir-fry loaded with vibrant vegetables and a tangy sauce. The tantalizing aroma wafts through your kitchen as you gather the ingredients: firm tofu, a medley of colorful vegetables, a dash of soy sauce, a hint of garlic, and a pinch of ginger. Your adventure begins by cubing the tofu and chopping the vegetables. The crackle of the hot wok is music to your ears as you add your tofu into it, watching as it turns golden brown. Next come the vegetables, their colors becoming more vivid as they cook, their nutrients sealed in. The magic happens when you add the soy sauce, garlic, and ginger. These simple ingredients fuse together, creating a sauce that's a symphony of flavors. Stirring the mixture, you ensure that every piece of tofu and every vegetable is coated in this delicious concoction. Within minutes, a delicious tofu stir-fry is at your table. Envision a plate of zucchini noodles, light yet satisfying, tossed in a robust tomato sauce. What's on the menu? A mouthful of freshness and flavor, courtesy of just 4 simple ingredients: zucchini, tomato sauce, garlic, and olive oil. Let's begin with the star of the show, the zucchini. To transform this garden vegetable into delicate noodles, you'll need a spiralizer. This handy tool effortlessly shreds the zucchini into thin, noodle-like strands. Next, we turn up the heat. A dash of olive oil goes into a hot pan, followed by minced garlic, sautéed until it's golden and fragrant. This is where our zucchini noodles join the party, lightly sautéed to keep their crunch. The final touch? A hearty helping of tomato sauce, mixed well with the zucchini noodles. The result is a vibrant, aromatic dish that's as pleasing to the eye as it is to the palate. Your mouth-watering zucchini noodles are ready in a blink. Think of a bowl of hearty chickpea curry, aromatic with spices and rich with coconut milk. This simple, nutritious dish is made with a handful of ingredients, each playing its part to create a symphony of flavors. First on the list, canned chickpeas, a protein-packed staple that lends a satisfying bite to our curry. Next, we have coconut milk, its creaminess adding depth and richness to the dish. Curry powder, a blend of various spices, imparts a warm and robust flavor. The humble onion and garlic, sautéed to perfection, form the base of our curry, their sweetness balancing the spice. And finally, a drizzle of olive oil to sauté our ingredients and bring out their best flavors. The preparation is as simple as the ingredient list. Sauté the onion and garlic until golden, stir in the curry powder, add chickpeas and coconut milk, and then let it all simmer until it thickens into a mouth-watering curry. A warm and comforting chickpea curry is ready to serve. 4 fantastic dishes, all prepared in under 10 minutes each. We've journeyed through a culinary world that's both speedy and nutritious, starting with the savory quinoa salad. This dish, rich in protein and fiber, is not just a meal, it's a health statement that's ready in a jiffy. Then we moved on to the tofu stir-fry, a dish that's as versatile as it is delicious. Its high protein content and array of vibrant vegetables make it an easy choice for a quick dinner. Our third stop was the zucchini noodles, a low-carb alternative to traditional pasta that's just as satisfying. And finally, the chickpea curry. This dish is a powerhouse of nutrition packed with protein, fiber, and complex carbohydrates. All 4 dishes are not just quick and easy to prepare, but they also bring a wealth of nutrients to your dinner table. With these recipes in your repertoire, dinner will never be a time-consuming ordeal again.